we have to find the sum of 9.04, 0.658, 35.06 and 5.4. So first we have to write the numbers in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So first we have 9 ones, decimal point 0, 4. Next we have 0, decimal point we have to keep in the same column. Next we have 6, 5, 8. Next we have 35, decimal point 0, 6, and we have 5, decimal point 4. We have to add these 4 decimal numbers. Next, because we have here 3 decimal places, 2, 2 and 1, so we add extra zeros to the empty spaces, and now every decimal number has 3 decimal places, so now it will be easier to do addition. And how we add decimal numbers? We use the same rule like for adding whole numbers. So we start from the last column. 0 plus 8 is 8. Next we have 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 6 is 15. So we have 5 hundredths and 1 we have to add to tens column. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have 1. We take down decimal point and we add 1 to 1's column. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 10, so this is 20. So we have 0 ones and we add 2 to 10's column. 2 plus 3 is 5. When we have empty spaces, this is like 0. So we don't have to add anything. So this is my solution.